second order homogeneous linear. Second order homogeneous linear ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients. Consider a second order linear differential equation d square y by dx square plus a into dy by dx plus b into y is equal to 0. This is a second order homogeneous linear differential equation because a and b are constant. Here derivative, second derivative term, first derivative term and y term and but no other terms. So this is a x is 0, this is a homogeneous equation of second order. In this case we substitute capital D is equal to dy by dx. So this becomes capital D square plus b square y plus a into capital dy plus dy is equal to 0. That is b square plus ad plus b into y is equal to 0. And here b square plus ad plus b into y is equal to 0. In this case y is not equal to 0. So b square plus ad plus b is equal to 0. b square plus ad plus b is equal to 0. Put d is equal to m. Put d is equal to capital D is equal to m. Then equation 2 becomes m square plus am plus b is equal to 0. This quadratic equation is called auxiliary equation of characteristic equation is called auxiliary equation of characteristic equation. The solution of this is a second is quadratic equation. So m has two values. Then solving this we get, then solving equation 3 we get, solving equation 3 we get m is equal to m1 comma m2. There are three cases to consider. Then there are three cases. Case 1, if m1 and m2 are distinct. Case 1, if m1 and m2 are distinct, m1 not equal to m2. m1 not equal to m2. m1 and m2 are real and distinct. In this case, solution of the given differential equation is the solution of the given homogeneous, the solution of the given then the solution of the given differential equation, given ordinary differential equation, comma, it's called a complementary function. Complementary function is y is equal to c1 into e raised to ax plus c2 into c1 into e raised to m1x plus c2 into e raised to m2x. c1 into e raised to m1x plus c2 into e raised to m2x. This is the general solution of given homogeneous second order linear differential equation. Next, case 2. Case 2, if m1 and m2 are real and is equal, say m, both are say these two characteristic roots, characteristic equation roots are characteristic roots, auxiliary equation roots. m1 and m2 same angle, then the solution is, the solution of the given ordinary differential equation and a complementary function. complementary function is y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to mx. c1 plus c2x into e raised to mx, where c1 and c2 are constants. Case 3, if m1 is equal to alpha plus I beta and m2 is equal to alpha minus I beta. If m is equal to alpha plus or minus I beta, m1 means alpha plus I beta and m2 means alpha minus I beta. കാരണം ഒരു ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് ഇക്വേഷന്റെ റൂട്ട്സ് കോംപ്ലക്സ് റൂട്ട്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് എന്തായിട്ടേ വരത്തുള്ളൂ, അല്ലെ? കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് പെയർസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ആൽഫ പ്ലസ് ഐ ബീറ്റ ഒരു റൂട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ ആൽഫ മൈനസ് ഐ ബീറ്റ അടുത്ത റൂട്ടായിരിക്കും. Then the solution of the given ordinary differential equation is it's also called complementary function. Complementary function is y is equal to e raised to ax into e raised to alpha x into the real part alpha e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x, imaginary part beta, plus c2 sin beta x. This is the solution. ഇവിടെ 3 കേസുകൾ. ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യുക. ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷന്റെ റൂട്ട്സ് എടുക്കുക. ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷന്റെ റൂട്ട്സ് m1 m2 ആണ്. m1 m2 ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ y is equal to c1 into e raised to m1x plus c2 into e raised to m2x is the complementary function of the solution. If m1 and m2 are same, then the solution is y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to mx. If the solution of the auxiliary equation is of the form alpha plus or minus I beta, then the solution of the given ordinary differential equation is y is equal to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. These are the 3 main cases. ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലുണ്ടാവണം. where c1 and c2 are constants. The y is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x. Y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to mx. Y is equal to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. Solve d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. This is a second order ordinary differential equation. It's a homogeneous differential equation. The constant coefficients minus 5 and 6 are constant. I'm going to solve here. Let's put capital D is equal to dy by dx. Then given equation becomes capital D square y minus 5 into capital dy plus 6y is equal to 0. Here we take y is outside. D square minus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to 0. Then the auxiliary equation is And the auxiliary equation is substituting d is equal to m. So m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Push and solving. This is a quadratic equation. Solving either by using calculator or by manual method. M square, this is a multiplying of 6 and adding minus 5, that is m minus 5, m minus 3 into m minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies m minus 3 equal to 0, m minus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 3, 2. These are the characteristic roots of auxiliary equation, the roots now. Here 3 not equal to 2, that is here m1 is 2 and m1 is 3 and m2 is 2. So these two are distinct. So we use first case. Then the solution is when the solution of the given differential equation. In the solution of the given differential equation. In the solution of the given differential equation. For the complementary function. Complementary function is y is equal to c1 into e raised to m1 is 3, c1 into e raised to 3x plus c2 into e raised to 2x. c2 into e raised to 2x, where c1 and c2 are constants. Where c1 and c2 are constants. This is the solution of this given differential equation. D square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6 into y is equal to 0. Solve ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഇവിടെ d square minus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to 0 എന്നാക്കി ക്യാപിറ്റൽ d ന് വരെ m കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായി ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷൻ കിട്ടി. ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷന്റെ റൂട്ട്സിനെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. കാരണം ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് ഇക്വേഷൻ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്കറിയാം അങ്ങനെ ആക്സിലറി ഇക്വേഷൻ ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണ് m ലുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ m ന്റെ വാല്യൂസ് കിട്ടി. ഇത് രണ്ട് ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് സൊല്യൂഷൻ എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ കേസ് 1 നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ കേസ് 1 റിസൾട്ട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. So y is equal to c1 into e raised to 3x plus c2 into e raised to 2x. This is the final answer. Okay. Next question, solve the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 4 into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. Also substituting capital D is equal to dy by dx, then the given equation becomes capital D square y plus 4 dy plus 4 dy plus 4y is equal to 0. That is capital D square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m. M square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation in m. This is a quadratic equation in m. Solving we get either by using minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or here multiplying by 4 and adding 2 m plus 2 into m plus 2 is equal to 0. M plus 2 the whole square. So m is equal to minus 2, comma m is equal to minus 2, which implies m is equal to minus 2, comma minus 2. So here the roots of the auxiliary equation is repeating. So we use second case of the above result. Then the solution of the given differential equation called the complementary function is c1 into, so as c1 plus c2 into x, c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 2x. Here m in the place minus 2 are. So here c1 and c2 are constants. This is the final answer. c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 2x, where c1 and c2 are constant. This is the solution of the given differential equation d square y by dx square plus 4 into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. Next question. Next question, solve d square y by dx square plus d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to 0. Here we substitute capital D is equal to dy by dx, then the given equation becomes capital D square y plus 4y is equal to 0. That is capital D square plus 4 into the second d square y by dx square in a time d square plus 4 into y is equal to 0. So substituting capital D is equal to m, we get m square plus 4m is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. 4m 4 is equal to 0. So this is the auxiliary equation. That m square plus 4 is equal to 0 in the m square is equal to minus 4, m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of, what is root of minus 4? Is equal to root of minus 1 into 4 is equal to root of minus 1 into root of 4. Root of minus 1 is I, root of 4 is 2. So m is equal to plus or minus 2i, then I into 2. So m is equal to 0 plus or minus 2i. M is equal to 0 plus or minus 2i here. This is a complex root. Real part is 0 and imaginary part is 2. This is of the form. Third case, m is equal to alpha plus or minus I beta. Then the solution of the given differential equation called the complementary function is y is equal to e raised to alpha x. E raised to alpha is 0. This is of the form alpha plus or minus I beta. This is of the form alpha plus or minus I beta. So solution is e raised to alpha x, e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So this is equal to, here alpha is 0, beta is 2, so this is equal to e raised to 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. E raised to alpha x, 0x is e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. The final answer is c1 cos 2x plus c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. നമ്മൾ മൂന്ന് കേസിന് ഓരോ പ്രോബ്ലം വെച്ച് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ.